These are the Intellivision Attachable Joysticks. I found a pair of them and a loose copy of Pac-Man with the instructions for $40. I bought them at a local flea market. No tools required. You just snap them in on the grooves on the side of the controllers. All right, let's check them out, see how they work. I was lucky and found these for a good price, but on the internet, I've seen them go anywhere from $80 to $115. But if you can get a good deal, I highly recommend them.